a professor of law has petitioned the International Criminal Court of Justice against Bayo Onanuga, the spokesperson of Aswad Bola Tinubu Presidential Campaign Council, who has threatened the Igbos in Lagos during the last governorship and presidential election in Nigeria. He threatened the Igbos severally that the world has taken notice. And he did even made threat for the future. He said that 2023 should be the last time that Igbos interfere in Lagos election. He will go to the ICC and tell them what he will do to them if they interfere again in 2027. Many people are excited about this, and I think you should be.